Alright, so let's try to discuss this example. The gradient of a curve is defined by dy dx is equal to 1 of x minus 2 sine 2x. Given that the curve passes through the origin, find the equation of the curve. So here, you have seen the word curve in or many times. So the gradient of the curve is defined by this. Given that the curve passes through the origin, find the equation of the curve. So you find that curve, the word curve 3 times. The curve there means the y function. That y is a function in terms of x. Okay, y is a function is in terms of x. So in this, and the gradient is given. So this y, that what we're looking for is this. Okay? So for us to be able to find that one, again, we need to take the integral of this. So y is equal to the integral of 1 half x minus 2 sine 2x dx. So let's try to take a look into this integral. So the integral of this is 1 half x squared over 2 minus 2. What's the integral of sine 2x again? So again, we can use the substitution. However, if you get used to it with the technique, what you can do is just simply the derivative of 2x is 2. Take the reverse of that. Okay, so that's 1 over 2. So 1 over 2. Then just simply take the derivative of sine. The derivative of sine is negative cosine 2x. Then you add plus c. For those of you who are confused on how did I arrive into this one, so just try to look at this. So this is your u. So you can let your u as 2x. Your du dx is equal to 2. So it means that your dx is 1 half du. So therefore, this example here will be minus 2 sine of your u, and the dx is 1 half du. Okay, so that is du times 1 half there, which is actually exactly the same as when you take the integral of this. So this is just copy. The integral of sine u is negative cosine u. Then you just simply add plus c. Right? However, you can do that shortcut if you want to. So this one now is x squared over 4. This 2 times 1 over 2 is 1. Negative times negative is positive. So that is plus cosine of 2x. Right? Plus your c. So this is your y. When you look at the question, it says the curve passes through the origin. The origin, again, is the point 0, 0. If it passes through the origin, it means you can actually find the c because it gives you the specific values of x, which is equal to 0, and y is equal to 0. So therefore, if y is equal to 0 and x is equal to 0, so therefore, times 0, you can actually find your c. So that is now 0, 0, this is 0, plus cosine of 2, 0. This portion is 0. Okay, the cosine is 0. Cosine of 0 is equal to 1. So 0 equals 0 plus 1 plus c. So therefore, we can see from here that your c is equal to negative 1. Therefore, the equation of the curve is y x squared over 4 plus cosine 2x plus 1. So this is now the final answer. Again, if you have the dy dx and you're looking for the curve, what we're going to do is to integrate. After integrating, plug in the specific values of x. Let's try to create a flow chart of that. Okay, so sorry. So let's create the flow chart for that. If you're looking for the equation of the curve, so what do we do? The first step is to integrate. Alright? After take the integral. After taking the integral, and don't forget that the moment you integrate, or the moment you find the integral, you need to add the plus c. Okay, don't forget. So I'll put here, don't forget the plus c. Okay. Now here you solve for c. Solve for that c. And how will you solve for the c? You plug in the given points. Okay? I would say x1, y1 as the given points. And then after that, rewrite. Then finish. So that is the flow chart. Let's try to have an example. Suppose I am looking for the equation of the curve of the function, okay, where the dy dx, I would say, let me use another color, where the dy dx, or the gradient function, is equal to sine x plus cosine x. Alright? And then, we're looking for the expression of the curve when y is equal to 2, x is equal to pi over 4. So let's try to figure it out. The first step is to take the integral of that. Okay, so let's try to step number 1, take the integral of sine x. And these are two terms. So therefore, sine x dx plus cosine x dx integral. Right? And then after that, we can now take the integral of sine x. Oh, that is your y is equal to. So the integral of sine x is negative cosine x. So that is now negative cosine x. And the integral of cosine x is positive sine x plus some number c. Okay, and then we're looking for that c, because given that your x is equal to pi over 4, y is equal to 2, so we can now solve for that c. So we are now on this second step, solve for c. So y is equal to 2, negative cosine of pi over 4, plus sine pi over 4 plus c. Right? And what is your cosine of pi over 4? Cosine pi over 4 is the square root of 2 over 2. So this is now negative square root of 2 over 2. And sine pi over 4 is also a square root of 2 over 2. Then you have there plus c. So negative square root of 2 over 2 plus square root of 2 over 2 is 0. So therefore, c is equal to 2. Like that. Okay? Then the third step is to rewrite. So therefore, the final answer is y is equal to negative cosine x plus sine x plus c. Alright? I'm sorry. Your c is equal to 2. So let's just put there equals 2. Okay. So I'm going to give you more examples on the next